Alright, so today we're going to be answering the big question, will it run? So first thing I'm going to do is take off the intake tube that's all cracked up, put this Mishimoto pipe that I got in between, fill up that air gap, and we'll see if it starts. After that I got to throw in the battery and we'll crank it up. Alright, now I got that hooked up in place. It's not attached here to the filter, that's alright. There's nothing that it's going to suck up there, but now we got a nice tight fitment. I'm going to cap off this. I found the hose laying down in there. I didn't get to check to see what it went to, so I'm just going to cap that for now. So it's not sucking in air from outside of before the sensor. And now I'm going to, I'll pull off the rest of that pieces for the intake later, but now I'm going to throw the battery in it, pop this cover off, which is just laying there, throw the battery in, double check, make sure nothing's in the way, and we're going to fire it up. Alright, now we got both things hooked up to battery, we got the intake hooked up again. Let's jump in and try and start it. Go, it's alive. That's what I was hoping for. I was really sweating it, but I figure it's basically a new car. There's only 20,000 miles on it, so right now it sounds pretty good. I'll put we got good oil pressure. Everything sounds alright, nothing's making any noise. There's no coolant system hooked up, so I'm not going to run it very long, just a couple seconds. I just wanted to make sure that it actually ran, and it does, so I feel a lot better. And we got 3/4 tank of gas. Everything looks alright, everything sounds good, nice and quiet, just like you want. Sounds pretty good. Like I said, there's no mufflers on it. It's just straight pipes in the back, so I have a little bit of a surprise for the exhaust too. Stainless exhaust, and it's a definite upgrade from that, so that'll be farther along in the video, but just stay tuned. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, put a like on the video, and follow along. Stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.